Hey friends, Jeff and Amy here with RV Optimizer, and today's the day we've been waiting months for. We're headed to the dealership to see our new RV for the first time. And man, I can't wait to get there. We're going to take you into the dealership, take you through this experience with us. We're going to go probably sign what feels like a mountain of paperwork to get this thing converted over to us so we can drive home the coach that will become our new home for all of the adventures across the country that we're planning. This RV is much more than just a coach to us. We're planning our trips all across the country in this. We're going to be going film all the destinations we go to, new RVs that will continue to show you guys what's latest in the market out there, and our Paws Across America, where we hope will help a lot of dogs find their new forever home. This is really the beginning of a new chapter for RV Optimizer and all the things that we're going to be doing. So please subscribe to the channel so that you can go on this journey with us as we look forward to it. Now, let's get to the dealership. Okay, so we finally made it after every road closure that could possibly happen, I think, but nevertheless, we're here. And so if you've been following my channel, you know for the last many months, we've been researching all kinds of RVs. And so let's go see if the one we actually chose is the right decision. So let's go. Okay, so we're here at the dealership. My buddy Mike here, you may have seen him in some other videos we've done, is about to take us out to see our RV for the first time. This is it. You're seeing it with us for the first time. It is Newmar Freedom Aire.
Very nice.
Yes. So now we'll get our Newmar specialist to take us through here real quick.
So if you go,
Oh, you can unlock the compartments from there too.
it will do both. This is going to be our inverter. Our solar controller's up here. We do have a battery disconnect switch up here. This is just a distribution block. This is the main screen, home screen, which you have the capability of turning the water pump on, turning the autofill. That's where we talked about if you wanted to fill the fresh tank, you hit autofill with it hooked up to city water, and it will fill the tank up to 100% and then shut off. Okay. You have gray tank here, black tank here, which with the tank heaters on them automatically comes on if it needs to.
The heater does?
Yes.
Okay.
Do have some lighting controls. The bed control is right here. It's auto leveled right now, so we have the jacks down. To retract jacks, we're going to hit retract jacks. It's going to retract all the jacks. Newmar recommends running the slide at ride height, so that means where the jack's retracted as it sits on the wheels.
So put that out first, then hit that.
Then do the auto level.
Right? And then pull that in before you?
Then retract the jacks, pull the room in.
Oh, okay. So first and last.
Yes.
Okay.
If you wanted to switch from just a float to invert or the different state. So basically it's going to pick up any Wi-Fi that's available to you and create your own secure network with that Wi-Fi for your coach. So we want to make sure the table's folded up in the up position. You put your seat protectors on the seats to protect the seats when the bed's folded down. You do have the collapsible legs, which collapse there. To disengage the leg, there is a button about center of thing too. The main home screen, you do have bed up and down, which we hit down is going to allow the bed to This folds out of the way. To show you this so you know where it's at. There is your fresh tank, your water pump, and your water accumulator. So let's just kind of fold that here. You do have some storage here on the side, wireless charger in there, storage in here.
Will the cushions you take off actually fit underneath here too? Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
That takes water from either the fresh tank or the city water, whatever you're using. So if you have the pump on, it's pumping water up to it and then back down into the fresh tank. Connect. If we turn that off, even though we're plugged into shore power, everything will shut off. And obviously you want to double check, make sure you don't have any obstructions or anything in the way that you're going to run the slide into. Also check the seat, the driver's seat. Make sure it's not reclined in the reclined position.
So that's almost overwhelming to go through all that stuff. We're going to do a full video on a quick, complete walkthrough a little bit later. But just wanted to share some of the quick little tips that they were giving us as we were learning about it to pick it up and to drive it out of here. Our next step is with the finance guy. And before we do, for full transparency, I wanted just to let you guys know that Newmar did help provide some preferred pricing on this RV. And primarily because they're just as excited as we are to have us document all of our trips and our experiences and share them with you guys. So I wanted to share something real quick before we get into the finance with you, and that is before I came, actually 2 weeks or so before I came, I used ChatGPT and I looked for the lowest APR on RV loans that were out there and available. I got pre-approved and set up for that. When I called the dealership, I said, here's what I've got approved for. Can you guys beat it? I'm sharing that with you because they did beat it, and I have a feeling most dealerships would be willing to do that. You just got to set them a bar at the beginning, and they'll be willing to work with you. So don't forget to look into those things. Yeah.
A lot of him and hawing and dancing around. Just there. And initial.
Oh. So Gary, thanks. We appreciate it. Sometimes the financing side can be the less desirable part of the whole thing, but you've made it great. I appreciate that. And you got RV optimized in the meantime.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. So I know we ran over some things very quickly today. Look for a video that we're going to be doing in the near future where we're going to do more of an intense walk around and actually get it after our first camping experience and tell you guys what we're liking, what we're feeling, what we're seeing with our new Newmar Freedom Aire. So until next time, I hope all your future RV trips are optimized. Thanks for watching, guys.